this is the second day on this 2016 Subaru Wrx, guys. Second day. Yesterday we did a compression test on it. The right side of the motor, both cylinder heads hit 120 based on the compression test. As we moved over to the left side of the motor, we realized one cylinder head was struggling to go to 30, so it hit 30. The second head on the left side hit 90. So yeah, today we're gonna rip the engine out of the car and see what's causing this issue. So alright, stay tuned and let's get it. Let's go. Good. So test and find piece of metal shavings. So let's take a picture of which one go here. This is the E. So yeah guys, after a couple of hours of pull and turn and lube up bolts and brake bolts, the motor is finally out. See here, the motor is finally out. You know, you can see excessive oil is in the, it's coming through the valve cover. So here now, which is taking out the clutch, so we can get this thing on the engine stamp. Yeah, and start the assembly. The flywheel. Not the flywheel, the pressure wheel. It's a flywheel, it's a couple of parts. It's a clutch, bro. Yes, it have a life tonight, but this shit is more. Look for the camshaft material. Right? Yeah, that's how I think the block actually good. Is that it? What about this camshaft? Oh, you still have to think about it, bro. Nice. Yeah guys, as you can see here, the camshafts are done. They are melted from oil starvation. and with hard rev, you know, friction, metal rub against metal, and it's all melt up and kick up. So that's what caused the low compression over here, because it is not rotating properly. You just gotta dig further down in the motor to see if the head is good. And as you can see here, this bearing thing is scarred. So the cam gears are good. Maybe the cam gears are good. The cam gears are good. The camshafts aren't good though. You know, but it's possible that I replace both. This piece here that you're looking at right now, that rich from high mileage is about to take off, that piece is shot. Like it's all melted up, and yeah, it has no use. So maybe that's just a piece that need replacing, hopefully, once we check the head and the black and see if those are okay. And once those are okay, then yeah, we are good to go. All we gotta do is just get the piece replaced, probably get it to a machine shop to get head and head deck and clean, and you know. But however, I might just put the motor aside maybe and just build it for higher horsepower, get it closed depth and all of that. You know, it makes sense if you're building a motor. It doesn't make sense to build it for less than 500 horse or 600 horsepower. So I'm just gonna think about that and look into that, and yeah, might just build an 800 horsepower engine. You might never know. Maybe 1,000. Yeah, I'll just probably just replace the motor for now. You know, I have other swap coming. I got the STI swap coming. So like, comment, guys, subscribe, and stay tuned for the STI swap, because that one gonna be epic for real. My CVT, I got a CVT that I'm gonna make into an STI. So stay tuned for that. You don't wanna miss that. So subscribe, guys. Subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's make some big move, because that's a big move. I haven't seen no one done it yet. Yeah, yes sir.
It's good, brother. This good. Valves them look good. So it's a change. So it's basically changing the cam now. Intake, just carry all the box from now. Intake and exhaust now. I'm gonna have the head too. Yes. Huh?
Yeah.
So if it's just a headed one. Oh, then cut the box, man. Cardboard in there, cut the box and put it on the cars. But the black definitely have to go clean up with all that shit there.
Oh man, you can get gas oil and wash it.
Yeah, wash out the pull and pour.
Oh, gee, put on power wash now.
Yes, guys!
So I'm back again. And it seems like we have a good black. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Stay tuned for the engine. So just stay tuned, guys, for the motor replacement for Lemonade, whether I build the motor or I just replace the motor and get this bad boy up and running. Alright, thank you for watching my video, guys. Again, please like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned for the rest of the build. Alrighty, peace out.